Okay. Gluing. One size lang po ba?
Hindi pwedeng ilitan. Pero sinet ko sa ano.
And then,
there, coffee is life. There, coffee stand. We can add the sugar here. Okay, we'll be using shrimp from Costco. First time using this with calabasa and bean sprouts. And this is the seasoning, black pepper, salt, MSG, and tempura mix. You can see I start grating the calabasa for the Ukoy. Okay, I season black pepper, salt, and MSG to the grated calabasa and bean sprouts. I'll be using tempura batter mix for the flour, and it's 1 cup of tempura batter and then 1 1/4 cup of cold water. It's the oil that I'll be frying the Ukoy using a spoon for my measuring, and then this is the shrimp. Okay, I am frying the Ukoy. No one is perfect. Here's the sample of my Ukoy. Hard work pays off and you eat well food. Okay guys, I'm gonna try the basil seed mango flavored drink and put some ice on the glass. Pouring some. As you guys can see. Okay, Carmina has poured it. Look at the ice, it's already on top. Good thing it didn't overflow this time. And I'll take a sip and I'll let you know how it tastes like. Okay, it's my favorite. Tastes like mango, but it says on the bottle. Must try when you have a chance. This is the Japanese rice, cucumber, ripe mango, imitation crab meat. The last step is sprinkle, and the sushi is done already. Here is the potatoes, the asparagus, and the steak. Having a meal at the friend's house and salad. Everyone is enjoying themselves. Have a wonderful day. Here guys, look at the flowers here. See? Guys, more flowers here. What kind of flower this is? What kind of flowers that? See it? Nice, let's walk around. Let's see what's there. At 5 Below, look, there's Winnie the Pooh gummy candy. And there's gummy ducky. And a cola. And then a bear. So many snacks here. First time shopping here, guys. Guys, the time, busy shopping until the store closed down. And look at this place. They have a inventory closed out. 70%. We are at Carl's Jr. We will have a meal inside. And we will place our order. They also offer this. This is a famous star, and then Diablo's spicy burger and a Western cheeseburger that Carmina ordered with fries. We will enjoy our meal and hope you're enjoying my video. To round one. Let's go over here. Entrance fee. Let's go inside. Hey, let's go walk around. That guys. Oh, here's our tour guide. That's my tour guide for today.
Sa mga social area.
Yeah.
Doon ata sa culinary.
Okay. We're just walking at the shopping mall here in Sacramento.
You see here, the espresso is such a big deal.
Which one? Ah, the coffee. Well, because coffee is life.
So this is the cheap area because of JCPenney.
Okay.
Social sa akin na yan.
Okay. There's JCPenney's. They have a big sale. Oh, there, look here. Yeah, we're gonna go JCPenney's now. Oh, because of July 4.
So you can get cheaper stuff.
Okay.
While here in JCPenney, you have a lot of cheap stuff right now because of the sale that we have.
For July 4.
We're just kidding, guys. We're not really vlogging or anything. Sorry. If you want to have some cheap, I mean, you can use it. I come in here, I come out with makeup already.
Okay.
Just using their samples.
Oh, really? So if you use this one.
Hi. How are you?
Find something?
Oh, we're just looking around.
Okay. Let me know what I can do to help. Sorry about the mess.
It's okay. Other items here, guys.
Kulit.
Other colors. There. You want some cologne? No thanks.
Ito mabango. Si Ariana. Wala na, naubos na ng tao. Ubus na yung sample.
There's no more sample. It's all gone. Here's the clothes, guys. Your sweater. Here's the clothes.
Give me your ring. Oh, diba? Ganda.
Wow.
Diba? So pretty.
There, look at the rings, guys.
They look good, actually. They kind of look real.
Yeah, they're 60% off.
Yeah, so what you pay is not this. You pay only $10.40 for a $26 ring.
Okay.
Like, for example, this is, what is this, 34? So 34 is $13.60.
Okay.
Yeah, so you buy this cute thing.
Yeah.
This cute thing is $13.60.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you don't need a guy to give you a ring. You can buy it yourself.
Yeah, you don't need a man to have it. You don't need a man to have it. You just buy your own. fakingly showing it off to people. But it's real.
And then tell them you got engaged.
Yes.
And then how about when they say, I want to see the man?
Right here online. They're all in Russia or Korea, whatever.
Here's the other jewelry. Here's Let's go to.
His clothes.
Oh, I'm done shopping already. You can go to the houseware.
Just showing it off.
Let's go to the coffee maker. Show me the coffee maker that you have.
So, basically, I just bought a cheap Keurig
Oh, you did?
because I don't like huge ones. I had the bigger one before, but I had to return it because I'm the only one using it anyway. So it's
Okay.
cleaning up all those stuff. And I don't even see it. I can't find it. It looks like this. It kind of looks like this, but the thing like this is on the side that you can't even see it.
Oh, okay.
So it's kind of like that. It's really easy. You can. It's really easy to use.
My dad gave me a Bella, but it's like, it's also a Keurig.
Oh, and it heats your coffee in 20 seconds. You can have the. I had a post of it actually
Okay.
on my YouTube. Like as soon as you put it down, the water comes out in a few seconds and it's ready. Really hot.
Okay. Then you tell them your YouTube channel.
Oh yeah. Why don't you just come and join me at Ejan A8? Yun na nga ba yun?
Yes.
Ejan A8 YouTube channel.
Did you know they have sauce here at Subway that they sell here at Walmart? Spinach, and then the spinach with artichoke, and then jalapeno and artichoke. Which one have you tried before? So smart off. You can get apple pie, strawberry, and pumpkin pie here at Walmart. Asian crab meat here as well, guys. For $4.97. This is the brand that I'm using for the imitation crab meat. Look guys, there's also crab meats here. They also have it here for $14.28. Other stuff here, salmon, so many, tuna. Kind of spam here, jalapeno, curry smoke, and Korean barbecue. CreAsian Wok and roll to have our lunch. Fried chicken with garlic rice. Beans with shrimp with white rice. Full soup that they ordered. They will prepare it.
Wow, looking good, looking good.
Thank you for watching Carmina Lifestyle.